Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most accurate 1-minute IQ option trading strategy using the engulfing candlestick pattern with not one, but two powerful indicator confirmations. This strategy is simple, effective, and perfect, even if you're just starting out in trading. Last week, we tested this on the Pocket Option platform, and you guys showed amazing support. Thank you for the love. So today, we've made this strategy even stronger by adding one more confirmation using the RSI indicator. Watch the video till the end to learn every detail and see this strategy in action. Quick disclaimer, everyone. Binary options trading involves risk. You can lose money, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and remember to do your own research before making any trades. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future strategies and tips. Your support really motivates me to bring even more useful content for you. Let's talk about the trading tools we'll be using in this strategy. We will use the engulfing pattern as our primary signal. To filter our signals, we'll use two indicators, Bollinger Bands and the RSI, both with their default settings. Now let's jump into today's most accurate trading strategy. Here's when to take a sell trade. Look for a firm engulfing pattern on the chart. The candle should touch the upper Bollinger Band line. The RSI indicators should also touch the upper overbought line. Only take a sell trade if the market meets these requirements. Here's when to take a buy trade. Identify a firm engulfing pattern on the chart. Ensure the candle touches the lower Bollinger Band line. The RSI indicators should also touch the lower oversold line. Execute a buy trade only if the market fulfills these conditions. Set your chart on the 1-minute time frame. Set your trade expiry to exactly 1 minute. Try trading during the European and New York sessions, as these sessions usually provide clearer trends. Also, avoid trading during high-impact news events to stay clear of unpredictable market moves. Before you risk your hard-earned money, practice this simple strategy on a demo account first. It's a smart way to build confidence and master the setup before trading real money. Check the description box for more details and useful links related to this strategy. I'll walk you through live trades step by step, so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real market conditions. So stay with me till the end. Every trade I take comes with valuable insights that can really level up your trading skills. Ready? Let's jump into the charts and start trading live. All right, traders, I've just taken a sell trade here based on all our rules. We have a strong engulfing pattern on the chart. The candle has touched the upper Bollinger Band, and the RSI is at the overbought level. So everything lines up perfectly with our strategy. Now let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Stay with me till the end. Every second is important. We won this trade. The setup worked exactly as expected. All our confirmations came together perfectly, and the result was in our favor. But we're not stopping here. Let's stay focused and wait patiently for the next perfect trade setup. Remember, in trading, it's not about taking every trade, it's about taking the right trade at the right time. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's catch the next opportunity together. All right, traders, I've just taken a buy trade here following our strategy rules. We've got a strong bullish engulfing pattern on the chart. The candle has touched the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI has reached the oversold zone. So everything is in place for a potential upward move. Now let's wait and watch how this trade turns out. And hey, if you have any questions about this strategy, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I always try my best to answer and help you out. Stay with me. The live action isn't over yet. And yes, we've won this trade too. That's another solid confirmation that this strategy really works when all the conditions are met. Stay tuned, because more live trades are coming up, and each one has something new to learn. Okay, traders, I've just entered a sell trade here based on our trusted setup. We've got a clear bearish engulfing pattern, the candle has touched the upper Bollinger Band, and the RSI is right at the overbought level. All signals are in perfect alignment. So now, we wait and see how this trade plays out. We've won this trade. Everything lined up perfectly, and the market moved just as expected. But remember, not every trade will be a winner. That's why it's important to stick to the rules and manage your risk wisely. Keep watching. More live trades are on the way, and there's still a lot to learn. Now, you might be thinking, this looks like a bearish engulfing pattern, right? Well, at first look, it may seem like it. But let's take a closer look. Yes, the second candle is bearish and seems to cover the previous one. But the first candle is actually a hammer pattern and very small in size compared to the second one. And that's why this setup doesn't qualify as a valid bearish engulfing pattern. Also, the RSI hasn't touched the overbought level, which is one of our key confirmations. So friends, this is the kind of setup you should avoid. Don't get carried away just by how a pattern looks. There's a big difference between how a pattern appears and whether it truly fits our strategy rules. The sell trade I placed here was just for demonstration, to help you understand what a false setup looks like. And as expected, this trade didn't go in our favor. We lost the trade, but remember, losing a trade is also a part of learning, especially when you're analyzing and improving your decision-making. That's it for today, traders. Before you start trading with real money, practice this strategy on a demo account first. Learn to identify market conditions, whether it's trending or sideways. Follow the strategy, but also use your trading knowledge to make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies. Like this video to support the content. Share this with your fellow traders so they can learn too. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep creating more content to help you succeed in trading. Good luck on your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and happy trading.